Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating a safety net, duplicate the live theme, and if needed, download a ZIP backup. Once done, make sure you have admin or collaborator access and enable any required API keys for CLI work. Install Shopify CLI or open the theme editor in your store so you can preview changes locally or in a draft. Doing this now prevents downtime and lets you test iterations safely. You're preparing the environment so every later change is reversible and visible before publishing. Now you'll make and organize the changes, open components in Liquid, adjust CSS and JS, and keep edits modular so they're easy to revert. If you use Shopify CLI, commit to Git and push branches, otherwise save incremental theme copies as drafts. Once changes are in, preview across breakpoints and devices, test key flows like cart and checkout, and verify third-party apps still function. Make sure to document each change in commit messages or a changelog so you can track why you modified a file. When you're confident, publish the updated theme during a low-traffic window and monitor error logs, analytics, and customer reports. If something breaks, revert to the duplicate theme or roll back the last Git commit immediately to stop revenue loss. Make sure to clear caches and CDN assets, verify Liquid syntax and asset paths, and reauthorize any app integrations that failed. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect the console and network errors first. Missing assets or syntax errors are the most common culprits and usually quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.